please.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Just a minute. I will share my slide.
Yeah, please share your slide. You can share, or you want us?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. It's visible. You can make it bigger if you want.
Yeah. Is it okay, sir? All of you can.
Yes. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Good evening to all. Thank you, Dr. Sayed sir and Viswanathan sir, to introduce this forum. I am an agriculture engineer from Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, Coimbatore. And after my graduation, I worked with plantations and having 25 years experience in landscaping industry. My career started in plantation company in Tirunelveli based, that is Sterling Tree Magnum. After 2 years of field experience, I moved to Madurai office. Then my landscaping career started in Mahi campus, that's in Manipal. There I started my landscaping as a project manager. After that, I joined in Sahara Group in Lucknow to take care of their all over India projects for the planning. Then I moved to Hyderabad. It's a Mehta's Satyam's group of company to take care of their 300 acres township projects in Hyderabad as a landscaping head. Then I came to Sri City. It is a 8,000 acres special economical zone. There I worked as a head landscaping. And after all this experience, I started my company in 2014. That's called Palm Landscaping. We have a very professional team with us to take care of large turnkey projects for residential, commercial, industrial, and institutions. And come to the subject, what is the role of landscaping in urban agronomy, or you can call urban forest? All of you know that what is the importance of trees, how it helps, and are we staying very comfortable in urban areas? Yeah, then without the trees, it is quite not possible. We'll see the importance of the trees. Yeah, well placed and well designed trees in urban area, like open areas, public paths, and along the roadsides. Definitely, it will bring down the temperature. Best example is our TNA campus. In the peak summertime also, after having the lunch, we can easily walk from hostel to colleges. So that is the best example I can say, maybe the best place in Coimbatore also. And the trees which can reduce the pollutions by the acting the filter media. Then a well matured trees can regulate water flow, and also it improves the water quality. Trees placed in and around our buildings and apartments, definitely it will bring down the AC usage, and it reduce the energy for 30% at least. Then, yeah, well matured tree can absorb easily a 150 kg of carbon monoxide, and consequently it mitigate the climate changes. Also, yeah, it's the trees role is very important for the urban biodiversity. Landscaping trees, especially with the native trees, can increase the property value by at least 20%. And we can see the difference if you are spending the time in the trees. Definitely, it will improve your physical and mental health. And we can say that if you are spending the time 1 hour in a park, having a walk, definitely our stress level will easily come down. And the wood, and also it serves the fruits, nuts, and the leaves as a food. Yeah. Now compared to the rural, urban population is increasing very fast. And to balance that, definitely we have to plant trees for the future generations. These are all the importance of the trees and what we did to take care of our environment. Actually, one of our projects in ongoing project in Coimbatore, we introduced native tree species, that is having a multi-layer of native trees. In an acre, we planted about 3,000 tree saplings, which is 10 times density than the regular conventional tree plantation activity. And it is 30 times faster growth it gives, and 100% it gives biodiversity. And we invited all their staffs working in that factory for the tree plantation activities. That's on the June 5th World Environmental Day. They happily participated and they are taking care of what the trees they planted. Each day they go and see happily, take care of watering, and it's a healthy competition between them, which tree is growing fast. And another example is this is one of the projects we developed in near Naidupet in Andhra Pradesh. After 8 months, we can see the difference, how it was before and how it is looks now. And their entire factory boundaries developed a thick green belt. And another example is this is one of the very interesting project which is very close to my heart. This is in Sri City SEZ project, spreads about 8,000 acres. And we developed the tree plantations all along the roadsides. It's about 75 to 80 kilometers stretch. We have 4-lane roads, medians. We planted all the local trees and the sides also. And you know, the native trees like people, neem tree, banyan tree, Tespecia populina and Peltophorum, those are all the native trees here. And all the roads are named by the trees what we planted there. And people tree itself, we planted about the 8-kilometer stretch. Neem tree also about 4 to 5 kilometer stretch we planted there. And it's called Neem Boulevard and People Boulevard, like that. All the trees are, roads are named by the trees what we planted there. And these are all some of the species, native species like people tree, neem, then Syzygium cumini, that's called in Tamil, it's Naval Maram. These are all very, very native trees what we planted there, which is very useful, and also it consumes very, very less energy. And previous slide, these projects, couple of the projects we planted the native trees, which consumes very less energy and very less manpower to maintain those trees, which received a LEED certificate from Indian Green Building Council. 3 of our projects received gold rating from them by introducing the native trees, and also we introduced energy conservation methods by advanced irrigation techniques there. Apart from the trees, not only the trees, wherever possible, we are trying to use the space for not only the ornamental trees for aesthetical effect, but to use the generate the greens and vegetables there also. One of these projects, 60-40 ratio we planted. 60% is ornamental and 40% is going for the useful organic farming on their space, open spaces. You can see the banana and the papaya trees grow there, even the drumstick. So all those activities, wherever possible, we generated food product crops also there by helping the urban forest. And finally, what can we do for the to take care of the healthy and clean environment for the urban forest? First, the main important thing is we have to take care of the existing trees. We have to protect them. We have to take care in and around. If it is close to your place, please take care of the existing trees there. And next one is any occasions like birthdays or anniversary parties, just go and plant a tree. It will take care of you and also the future generation. And we have to do that. We can donate tree saplings and seed balls for any of our family functions. These are all some of the key activities we can take care for our future generation, healthy and clean environment to them. And so I thank you very much from my side for the opportunity given. It's a short and very brief role of mine for the urban forest. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Durepandi. I think it's very
Thank you.
interesting. Can you please close your